today's topic of discussion is how to get data using the int class. Who, Before moving on, I need to discuss something which is actually related to the concept. So there are sometimes situations when you actually need to extract information from a particular column, and you need to apply where clause on over that particular column, but with respect to multiple values. In order to understand this concept, let's move on with the example. Here is my employee dot human resources dot employee table, and I'm just selecting the data, raw data from this table. So here are actually 290 rows, which I can actually see through the messages tab over here, and I now I need to apply the predicate logic over the login ID column. So when I am applying the login ID predicate logic over that login ID column, I mean like need to extract the information from multiple logins, right? So one way is that I'll write the column name, and then I'll write down the expression or the value which is actually required. Then I will write the OR, and then I will write the column name again, and then I will write down another login ID information, so on and so forth, right? So it will be quite cumbersome, like if I need to write this statement for like 100 times if I required to. So SQL Server actually gives you another feature in order to overcome over this one, and which is login, which is actually in clause. So how do we utilize this in clause? We normally simply put our select statement, and then after the where clause we need to give the column name over which the predicate is going to be applied only for once. Unlike we don't need to like repeat the column name over here, and within in the clause we need to provide the values for which we are actually applying the predicate. So here I would like to see the rows which are actually related to these six values, which are actually AdventureWorks slash Ken 0, Terry 0, Robert 0, Rob 0, Gail 0, and Joseph N 0. So when I will extract this information, when I will apply this uh, statement, I am getting six rows, and based on this login ID information. Now the login ID and now the in clause is not limited to character data. It is you can apply this information on any kind of data. It means like you can actually provide hexadecimal values over here. You can provide numerical values over here, character data in itself. You can also give boolean values. You can also provide birth date, and you can even apply the select clause within the in clause, in operator, right? So we will discuss this in subquery section um, in the future, right? So but you can't actually provide binary data within in clause, right? So it is not recommended. It will create problems for you when you will execute the SQL statement, and also it's not something which is related to optimization. So here it is another example. I just only want to see the data having the sick leave hours, which is this column, and it should contain 69, 20, and 20, 64. Like I only need to see the data having uh, sick leave hours, which are actually 69, 20, and 64. There could be like 3 rows, or it is quite possible like there will be more than 3 rows. So if I will select this statement, I execute this statement, so I am actually getting all the data having sick leave hours 69, 20, and 64, right? So and these are 19 rows in total. I hope so you guys will enjoy this video, will like this video, and please do share it, and please do subscribe to my channel.